Hello students, welcome again in today's video lesson. In the last video lesson I have explained you how to draw bar graph and to make a frequency distribution chart. Now in today's by continuing this chapter, data handling, in exercise 19.1, today I will show you how to draw a histogram. You know, histogram is very important part of representation of data. Some important points that we should have to remember while drawing the histogram, that whenever we draw a histogram, always we have to take a group data, and this group data must be in continuous. Okay, if it is in not continuous, that means we have to make it continuous. Always we have to take a continuous group data. Okay, now let us see how we have to draw a histogram. It's a similar type of bar graph, but the thing is that when you are taking a class interval or a group data and in continuous, the rectangles that are formed in the graph will be very close to each other. Okay, let us see how to draw. In this exercise, I'm going to show you question number 8. Okay, the weight of 29 students in a hospital are recorded as follows. So weight of the patients in the hospital, there are 29 patients whose weight are recorded up to 50 to 55 kg, 55 to 60 kg, 60 to 65 kg, 65 to 70 kg, 70 to 75 kg, and 75 to 80 kg. You can see here in this data the class intervals are in continuous form, no gaps are there, so we don't have to make it a continuous, just we have to draw the graph. For again this graph also we have to draw two perpendicular lines, that is x-axis and y-axis. In axis generally we take variates, that is we will take weight in kg, and the frequency that is number of patients in the y-axis. So first of all I will show you how to draw the graph. So here you have to take a vertical line like this. Okay, then a horizontal line like this. Okay, so here is a 0 and this is a y-axis and this is x-axis over here. Now you have to take the frequency distributions. So 55, 60, so 50 to 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 and 80. So just write here 50, then 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 and then at last 80. Okay, now you can see here we have to write the scale also. So in the x-axis 1 centimeter or 1 unit we have taken as a 5 kg, but you can see if 1 division is equal to 5 kg, then what is wrong with the 0 to 50 here? So since we have don't have the record of the patients whose weight is less than 50, so we no need to write that also, but we are skipping from 0 to 50 directly. For that, to overcome that problem, what we have to do, we have to make a zig like this. Whenever you see the frequency in the x-axis or y-axis, when you take the variates or values in one division is very small, and we have got the 0 to 50 like this, we have to make a zig here, or we can also say it is a kink like this. We can also say kink. Now in y-axis we have to take the the number of patients. Okay, so here you will write WEIGHT weight in kg, okay, in x-axis, and in y-axis we have to write number of patients. We will write here number of patients, I think, yes, number of patients in y-axis. Now you have to make the again the frequency here, which we can see here up to 7 to 9, so we can take 10 small divisions here. So we can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2, 2 I am taking 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12, 14 like this. Okay. Now scale we have to write here, scale. In the top of the graph paper you should write the scale first. So in x-axis 1 unit equals to 5 kg. So along x-axis 1 unit or 1 centimeter also you can write, 1 unit equals to 5 kg, and in y-axis what we are taking, 1 unit is equal to 2 patients. Okay. So in this way you have to write the scale also. Now in the first 50 to 55 kg there are 7 patients, that means 7 lies between 8 and 6. So approximately you have to take like this here. Just draw the graph. Okay. After that it is approximately 7. Okay. Now 55 to 50 kg there are 4 patients, 60 kg, so you have to take the 4 here like this. Then 60 to 60 kg there are again 4 patients, so same length of rectangle will be formed here. After that there are 9 patients, that 9 lies between 8 and 10, so you have to take here like this. Okay. After that 70 to 75 kg there are only 2 patients, so you have to take 2 here. Now there are 3 patients in between 75 to 80 kg, so it's somewhat slightly bigger than the first one, like last one. In this way you have to draw the histogram. You can see here the graphs are very one rectangle is in touch with another. In this way you have to draw the histograms. It's very important to write the scale factor. Then you have to draw write these things also: weight, kg, number of patients, frequencies. In this way you have to draw the histogram. Okay. So I think you have understood how to draw the histogram. You can do the questions. So question number 9 is also same type of histogram. In some picture in questions is also there. In question number 10, the histogram showing the weekly wages of workers in a factory given alongside. So you have to answer the questions regarding this. What is the frequency of 400 to 425? 400 to 425 is 18. There are 18 workers who are getting 400 to 425 rupees. What is the class having minimum frequency? Minimum frequency is having the class 475 to 500, that is only 4. Okay. After that, how many workers get more than 425 rupees? 425 more than, that means we have to add all the frequency after 425. 425 to 450 there are 10 patients, then 450 to 475 there are 20, and at last there are only 4. So 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 4, 34 workers are there who are getting wages more than 425. How many workers are getting less than 475? 475 less than, you have to means you have to add all the frequencies which are less than 475. So 475 after that we can get 20, then at 10, 30, 30 then 18, 48, 48, and after that is 6, 48 plus 6, 50. 4 workers are there who are getting wages less than rupees 475. Now you have to find a number of workers whose weekly wages are more than equal to 450 but less than 400 but less than 450. Means more than 400 but less than 450. So just you have to add these two, 400 to 450. Means two frequencies you have to add. First one is the 18, 400 to 425 is 18 workers, and for 425 to 450 there are 10 workers. So 18 plus 10, that is 18 workers are getting rupees more than 400 but less than 450 wages. Okay, in this way you have to also answer the questions when you get the graph, and from that graph you have to write the answer. Now in today's video, next I will show you how to draw the pictogram or pie chart. It's another way of representation of our data in angular form. It is called pie chart. For doing a pie chart, we have to first know how to make the chart. For that, you need the angular factor. So angle of sector, that is called value of the term by sum of the total into 360 degree. Okay. So angular sector, first you know. Here it is. We will do exercise 9.2. First of all, you should note angle of sectors. Angle of sector is equal to value of item, by total values of items into 360 degree. By using this formula, first of all you have to find the angle of sector. So in this, first of all I am going to draw a pie chart. Question number what I will take, this question number 10, I am going to show you. The following data represent the number of students who got admission in different streams in a college. Okay, streams are science, arts, commerce, law and management. And the number of students who get admitted in science is 400, and in arts is 300, and in commerce 500, and in laws 250. And after that, in management course, there are 350 students who got admission. Okay. Now you have to show this data in a pie chart. Okay. First of all, for that, what we have to do, we have to make the chart. So in first column of the chart, what you will write? You will write number of stream. Stream is there. After that, what we will get? Number of students who got admission. Number of students. Then you have to write angle. You have to write the central angle. Okay. Or you can write angle of sector also. Angle of sector. Okay. So first is science, then arts, then is commerce, after that law, after that management. Okay. Now you have to write the frequencies. Here is 400. After that 300 in arts. After that 500 in commerce. After that 250 in law. And at last 350 in management course. Now you have to take all sum of these observations. So it's 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, carry over 1, 1 plus 4 5, 3 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 3 18. So there are 1800 students who got admission in this college in this year. Now you have to make the angular sector now. For that, what you have to write, value of the item is 400, then total values of the item is 1800, and then 360. Now you do the cancellation. So 18 1 is 18, 18 2 is 36, so 2 4 is 80 degree. 14 to 2, 80 degree. Then again 300 by 1800 into 360 degree. So 2 zeros cancel, 18 1 is 18, 18 20 is 20 into 3 is equal to 60 degree. After that 500 by 1800 into 360, so 0 0 cancel, 18 1 is 18, 18 2 is, it is equal to 100 degree. Then after 250 by 1800 into 360, so again 0 cancel, 0 0, 18 1 is 18, 18 2 is 2 into 25, it's 50 degree. Then after 350 by 1800 into 360, so 0 0 cancel, 1 0, it's 350, 0 0 cancel, 18 1 is 18, 18 2 is, so 35 into 2, it's 70 degree. Now you check it, if the sum of these degrees become 360 or not. 80 plus 60 is 140, plus 100 240, 240 plus 50 is 290, 290 plus 70 is 360. So the sum of this is 360 degree. So we have got all the angle of sectors that we have to draw in a pie chart. Now to draw a pie chart, what you have to do, you have to take of any radius, you have to draw a circle like this. Okay. Now it is the center. Now you take a baseline. Now with the help of a protector, you have to make the angle first of all 80 degree. So approximately when you draw the 80 degree, it will become like this. It's 80 degree. Okay, you will just write here 80 degree. Now taking this second arm of this first angle as a base, then you have to draw again 60 degree. So here you have to draw with the help of, all we have to draw with the help of protector. Okay. Now it's 100 degree. Again taking this base as a baseline, you have to draw 100 degree. Now again taking this as a baseline, you have to draw 50 degree. It's 50 degree, and ultimately you will get the last angle as 70 degree. So I have just taken the angles in rough way. So when you draw with the help of a compass circle, then you take the all angles with the help of a protector, you will get a very nice figure like this, which you have got. Okay students, now you have to write all the angles which represent the stream, that is, it is science. It's very important to note down, write this, science, then arts, then here you have to write commerce, then you have to write law, and last one is the management. You just write here management. In this way you have to draw the pie chart. So very nice representation of data. Okay, so here also some questions are there. From the pie chart we have to answer the following questions. In question number 5, you can see the adjoining pie chart shows the expenditure of country on various sports during year 2012, and study the pie chart carefully and answer the question. What percent of total expenditure spent on cricket? So you have to you have cricket 90 degree, so 90 degree by 360, that is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 100, that is equal to 25%. Approximately 25% is expenditure is on cricket. How much percent more is spent on hockey than tennis? That means we have to find the percentage of hockey and percentage of tennis also. So hockey is 75 by 360 into 100. When you calculate, you will get the answer. Same way, tennis 50 by 360 into 100, we will get the answer. So in this way, you have to calculate the frequencies of percentage, and you will get all the answers from this pie chart. Okay students, I hope you have understood the today's video class that I have shown you the histogram and pie chart and the picture reading questions also. So do this exercise at your home. I will give you homework also, and in the last that we have left with the probability, that will do it in your next video class. Probability question is very important here also. Thank you students for watching this video. So see you again in the next video class. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.